We recently visited Miami as part of our Transatlantic Cruise, where we stayed at the Miami Lakes Hotel. Stay tuned to see what we thought of it in our 5-minute hotel and room review. Miami Lakes is located northwest of downtown Miami. It's a quiet suburban area with beautiful neighbourhoods, pretty tree-lined streets and plenty of shops and places to eat. It took us about 25 minutes to get from Miami International Airport to the Miami Lakes Hotel, travelling by coach with very little traffic. On arrival, we were impressed by how clean everything appeared and how lovely the hotel surroundings were. After an incredibly smooth check-in process, we walked to our hotel room through a beautiful grass-filled area, which at night was lit up with attractive colourful lights. The pool area was perfect for a daytime swim, and there were plenty of pleasant spots to sit, relax, and you even had the pleasure of the local wildlife. We were thrilled by how spacious our room was, typical reaction from us Brits when we see the generous size of American hotel rooms. With a large king-size bed, a sensible layout, a well-appointed bathroom and effective air conditioning, it had everything we needed for a great stay. We didn't have a balcony like many of the rooms do here, but as we were only here for one night and the outside space was rather lovely, we were fine with that. The room has a safe which is found in the left bedside table. It has a key code lock, and although it isn't going to fit a laptop, will fit any valuables such as your passport, jewellery, holiday money you need to put in there to keep them safe. There is a fridge under the sink in the bathroom which worked really well and is a decent size to store a few drinks or snacks. It was a hot day in Miami when we arrived, but the air conditioning worked really well and was fully adjustable by the digital thermostat found on the wall just outside the bathroom. The only thing I would mention is that the aircon unit, seen here, was a little noisy, but unless you are a super light sleeper, I wouldn't imagine this would bother you too much. The room had a large window which let more than enough light in and included a slatted shade to still allow you to have a nice view but to stop the Miami sun turning your room into a sauna. There were plenty of plug sockets around the room, including 3 USB sockets and the lamp on the desk. This made it super easy for us to charge our phones without digging out our travel adapter. There are also 2 standard US sockets in each of the lamps on the bedside tables. An alarm clock is provided for those that need to get up at a certain time, with easy to follow instructions given on the top. There's a full floor-to-ceiling wardrobe with plenty of hangers, plus extra storage space above the rail. Paired with a large chest of drawers in the room, you've got more than enough storage for a few days' stay for 2 people. And just in case, there's also a luggage stand along with an iron and ironing board if you need them. Right by the entrance to the bathroom, there's a little nook with a sink and a big mirror at the back. Here you'll find tissues and face cloths plus extra bathroom towels neatly tucked away in the basket below. This sink is super handy if you're travelling with others and the main bathroom is occupied. The hotel does provide toiletries and they're pretty good. I didn't use the lotion, but I did try out the shampoo, conditioner and soap, which saved me from digging through my case to find my own. The bathroom wasn't anything fancy, but it was clean and functional. The water pressure was great and the room was well lit, including a lit mirror. There's also an extra sink inside the bathroom, so you don't have to step out to use the other one. However, you do need to step over the side of the bath to get in the shower, so if this might be tricky for you, I'd recommend calling the hotel ahead of time to request an accessible room. A couple of other things worth mentioning. There's a large wall-mounted TV, so you can watch it from the comfort of the bed. They also provide an ice bucket with sleeve and cups, 2 free bottles of water and a coffee machine stocked with Starbucks coffee. Unfortunately, we couldn't try the coffee since we both avoid caffeine, but we still thought it was a nice touch. For simplicity, we ate our evening meal at the hotel's own restaurant, ML Steak and Sports. It had a great atmosphere, reasonably priced menu and attentive staff. Luke opted for the steak sandwich and I went for the ribs. Both were great and with drinks counter around $74 including tax. Breakfast was included in our booking and had a decent choice of hot breakfast items such as hash browns and bacon, a large choice of fruit and pastries and of course coffee and juices as well. Everything was fantastic with the food and it was a great ending to our overnight stay. Our stay at the Miami Lakes Hotel was really pleasant. We even took a morning stroll around the area and stumbled upon a farmer's market just behind the hotel. The bed was super comfy, we had a great night's sleep, and the food was fantastic for both dinner and breakfast. Plus, we got to unwind by the pool, which was super relaxing. We'd definitely stay here again, but just a heads up though, it's a bit outside of Miami, so if you're planning to sightsee in the city, I'd recommend renting a car. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to help us grow. Take care, and I'll see you on the next review.